Hello everyone, it's Lee from Digma, and today I will show you how to identify performance issues in your code environment using Digma. So first, let's head over to the right side panel and click on the Digma logo. By default, the Issues tab is selected, and at the top you will see filters for all critical and unread issues, and it opens up by default. Now I will click on the filter icon to sort by critical or latest issues. I can also search for a specific issue or filter by service, issue type, criticality, and read and unread status. And now I can go into the details of these issues. So in the home view of the selected environment, you will see a simplified view of the issues. Each issue is represented by an icon colored based on its criticality. Next to the icon is the issue name and its assets. At the top right corner, you will also see the average duration of the issue detected. And near it, you will see the status indicator, and if you hover over it, you can see when the issue was first detected, when it was last seen, last fixed, last reopened, and the reopen count. On the right side, there's also a quick menu where you can view more details about the issue. You can dismiss it for later. You can also create a JIRA ticket or recheck its status. As we said before, dark red is for critical, dark blue is for unread, and the dark gray for seen issues. That's it for now, and thanks for watching, and see you soon.